Hi there, it's Jim from jimmonkhouse.com, and I'm just going to show you a quick tutorial on the Elementor page builder for WordPress. I'll just show you how it works. So as you scroll down the page, we have these panels here, and you see the panel locks, then the one below it scrolls over, and then the one below that scrolls over, and then as you keep going, the page keeps scrolling there. You can scroll back up that way and that way. So it's really easy to do, and I'll show you now. So what we do is we add a container to page. I'm just going to give this a padding of 10%. Then I'm going to add another container. And then inside this container, I'm just going to add another 2 containers. So now I've got 1, 2, and now I'm going to align them over to the right. And I'll just add some content in here. So heading, text, and we'll add an image as well. Image over here. And then on this outside container, again just for style, I'm going to add 25px, give it a style of background blue, and this is our first panel here. So then what I'm going to do is set the styles on it on the advanced tab so that it fixes in position and then scrolls off when we're finished with it. So if we go to advanced, I'm going to give it a Z index of 1. I'm going to go to motion effects, and then I'm going to do, not mouse effects, all that. I'm going to go sticky top. I'm going to set the sticky offset to 150. That gives us distance between the top of the page as it scrolls. Otherwise it'd stick right to the top up there. And then I'm going to do stain column. Then all I need to do is just duplicate and duplicate. And I'm also going to increase this gap here. So I'm just going to right click, edit container. I'm going to go to layout, and instead of 20, we're going to go 50, and then I'm going to go to each container and then just change the color. So make this one green, and I'm going to make this one yellow. So now you can kind of see the effects working. You probably want to add a higher Z index to each one just to make sure, so you can give that one a 2, and then this one here a 3, because it's just inheriting the Z indexes of the panels below currently, but you want to set it so you know what you've got. And then if we publish, I'll come back to the preview. So that's the first one, and then this is the new one we just created. As you see, it's doing the same effects again, and it works responsively as well, so it'll work on mobile for you, as you see. You just have to be conscious of making sure the content doesn't overflow and then push down the size of the box, otherwise the boxes might be overlaying underneath. But yeah, that's how the effect works. Hope you like. If you've got any questions, just leave them down in the comments below and I'll try and get back to you. Okay, thank you.